Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP has now reacted again to the resistance area. We already had a first reaction here, but then pushed higher. So I just show the fib resistances that are still relevant. Here the decline was not substantial enough to really start a C wave to the downside. No, but maybe now there's another attempt, another chance to start wave C or 4. As I said before, we have likely reached either an A wave top or there is one more high in the A wave. What does that mean? So this is all part of a larger corrective rally, which we are tracking. Oops, 1 second. Which we're tracking, and it would be, and I showed it to you yesterday on the larger time frame, but A wave, B wave, C wave, or, and that should take us into the $1 region, as long as we're holding 42.6 cents, that's the lower support, definitely shouldn't break below it. Or the A wave gets like one more high, then wave B, and then wave C. So this is literally what we're tracking. I highlighted to you that one more high is possible, so basically 5 waves in wave A, but we need to hold the 50.6 cent level. And as long as we're holding 50.6 cents, I'm tracking this as a 4th wave in a 5-wave pattern of wave A, which is the first leg up of a larger corrective structure. And but I also highlighted to you that my preference would be, as it's shown here, that this is an A, B, C structure, as it would give us a healthy 4th wave. And as long as we're holding then the 50.6 cent level, I'm watching for one more high. Alternatively, one more high is possible directly, but at the moment we don't have 5 waves. So I'm just watching now to see if the price can form that 5th wave, and it could do that after an attempt to test the support region again, possibly in the region between 53.5 cents and 50.6 cents, the lower half, you could say, of the upper support region. Now, what happens if in this pullback now the price breaks below the upper support region? Well, it would mean that the A wave topped in 3 waves. This is what I would call an alternative perspective. And in this scenario, the A wave topped already, but only in 3 waves. It might look like 5. I call it 3. And then we have an A wave down. A waves can be 5-wave movements, by the way. They can also be 3-wave movements. And then we would have already bottomed in an A wave. Also, this would be a B wave, so no change really. The only difference would be between the two scenarios, is the C wave going to reach the lower support region or not. And that's how I try to make sense of this chart. I said to you before, as one of the signals I posted earlier on XRP on Discord, that yep, another high is possible. But as I said, XRP avoids 5-wave patterns like cats avoid baths. Okay, so it's just to highlight that XRP really likes to avoid those 5-wave movements. So an A wave in 5 waves, it would give us some clarity. Yeah, of course it avoids it. Okay, of course it avoids it. But yeah, it would definitely provide us with some clarity, because it would be more clearly bullish. If we are left with a 3-wave rally, it's not that clear. It could still go up further as long as we're holding 42.6 cents, but it's just not that clear in this case. Would just be nice to have a nice like 5-wave move up, but yeah, we'll see. XRP, as I said, likes to avoid it, and this move up looks just corrective. So I call it a B wave, and it could be a B wave in the white count or the yellow count. We will get some clarity when we see if the price can hold above 50.6 cents. That's my update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.